Introducing the Smeg Espresso coffee machine, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your kitchen. This sleek and stylish machine is designed to fit seamlessly into any modern kitchen decor. With dimensions of 13 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth, it's compact yet powerful. The user-friendly control panel, decalc system alarm, and thermoblock system ensure a perfect coffee experience every time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more helpful videos and check out the links below for more information on the Smeg Espresso coffee machine.